Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum, Privyat, Sasriyakal. Hope all of you are well. Today I'm back again in Leicester City. The time is around 10:30 p.m. and I'm navigating through a normal traffic currently. What I would like you to do is to spot 3 hazards that gonna build up during this journey. So the first one is just coming up, as you can see. Please have a closer look. Now the second one. As I keep driving further up, approaching a junction here, you can see the cars are stopping. There's some roadworks around the area. It's not heavy traffic as you usually find it in Leicester City, but still. And here is your test, the third and final hazard that is developing, and if you're a good driver, you would spot it well in time. Okay, so if you haven't spotted it, let's go back and check it out. As I said, there will be 3 hazards. And if you spotted, there is an ambulance parked on the right hand side, and there is a car popping out right behind this ambulance trying to join the traffic. And as soon as we pass that, you will see a cyclist on our left who just passed. No lights, no reflective lights, difficult to spot, especially at night time. So please be very careful when you're driving within the city. So please be aware of pedestrians and cyclists. They're the most vulnerable, so keep in mind they're also on the road. And the third and final one. You would have missed it because it's a combination of a lot of moving pieces here. But here you go. There's a guy just was about to pop up on the street. Hope this was good for you, and you will enjoy finding those hazards. And if anything, you spot another hazard in this video, please do let me know, because I couldn't find any, just 3 of them. And I actually spotted when I was driving. So hopefully all good drivers out there will be able to spot it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you. See ya. Ciao.